Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. In the realm of contemporary interior design, the powder room emerges as a canvas for creative expression, especially within limited spaces. Trendy modern powder room designs seamlessly blend style with functionality, offering a glimpse into innovative guest and how bathroom ideas, striving for spatial efficiency without compromising aesthetics. These designs leverage clever storage solutions and minimalist elements to maximize every inch, clean lines, and sleek features, create an illusion of spaciousness while bold accents inject personality into compact quarters from geometric wallpaper to statement mirrors. Each detail is carefully curated to elevate the ambience and leave a lasting impression on guests. Neutral palette with pops of color or textures add depth to the space, fostering a harmonious balance between simplicity and sophistication. Smart lighting choices accentuate architectural features and amplify the room's allure, enhancing both functionality and ambience. Whether it's a chic metropolitan loft or a cozy suburban home, these trendy designs prove that a small space can execute big style and charm. Thanks for watching. Must follow, subscribe and like Interior Designs channel.